Welcome back to this channel. So today we have a new project that is giving out $20, and also you get $5 every day for daily check-in. So it's very easy. It's an airdrop project. It's called SKC or Sone Ki Chidiya. So they are giving out 200k SKC for everyone who register. It's a crypto wallet that will be able to be used, and you can be able to exchange your SKC to either USDT. So it's a new platform where you are going to earn 200 SKC for welcome bonus. So and remember, guys, this is a crypto wallet that is building something new for everyone. So whether you are in Nigeria or you're in USA, you can join this project so that you can be able to accumulate this SKC. So SKC is the utility token for the Sone Ki Chidiya. So what you're going to do is the link will be in the description, and remember you're going to earn $20 when you register and when you use a referral code. So what you're going to do is I'm going to leave the link in the description so that you can be able to see this website and you can read. And remember, most people missed Bitcoin 10 years ago. So this project wants to make that legacy of giving out free tokens. And remember, it's completely free. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down and click on register. So when you click on register, you're going to go to Play Store so that you can be able to download on Play Store. So it's very easy. You just have to download on Play Store. As you can see, the app is currently on Play Store, and when the app is going to be on Apple Store, the rewards will continue being halved. So right now we are getting 200k, and when the app is on App Store, the rewards will become much lower. So make sure to install. Just click on install so that you can be able to register. uh, After you have installed the app, so you're going to create account. So click on create account. So as you can see, it's available even in India, Bangladesh, and other. It's global. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on other so that you can enter your details. So you should enter your full legal name, email address, invite code. You must put in the invite code. So the invite code will be in the comments or in the description. The reason why you are putting invite code is because you are going to get the $20 reward. So click on send verification so that you can receive the code through the email. Then enter the verification code, then create account. It's very easy. I'm going to create my details. So I'm not let me create my details. So that's how you do it. So you just click the email, then click on send verification code. So let me register, then we continue. So as you can see, after I have registered, I have received $20. So as you can see, I have received a total of 200 KSKC, the one we are going to receive. And also, guys, as you finish your registration, you'll see a backup code. So make sure to save somewhere that backup code so that you can be able to earn. You can see many people have joined this project. So it's a project. The last time I saw this kind of project, it was Roam App, and Roam App gave people a lot of money. So make sure to join this project. So there are other ways to earn rewards. If you click on share, for example, if you click on share and you want to share, you can see daily share. You miss Bitcoin and whatever. Free 200k. If you want to share, just scroll down and click on share 50,000 SKC, and you are going to get. So click on copy. I'm going to. So I want to copy the link. So as you can see, you are getting, I've gotten another. So click on return. You can see now I have $25. So that's how it works. So make sure to join. So if I put it, you can see all these people are the one who have joined. You can see all these people have joined this project. So click on your personal account. When you click on your personal account, you're going to see Eric Kimani, your whole detail. So you can set up authenticator so that it will be easier to join. So as you can see your account. This is your account details. So let's go back. You can see the share owner. You can see there is so much things you can do. This is where uh, uh, you refer others, and you also earn a share. So click on here, you can see participants. There are 2 million participants who have joined. So make sure to join so that you can be able to accumulate these things easily. So, and remember guys, these tokens, you are going to exchange them for USDT or Indian rupees or any other currency. So make sure to join this project. I have copied this referral code so that you can be able to use it. So make sure to use this referral code to get the $20. So what you need to do is just come in every day so that you can be able to earn more. So when you come in every day, you're going to earn more. It just takes around 1 minute so that you can be able to earn. So this is the end of the video, and I would advise everyone to join this project so that you can be able to earn the $5 every day until the project launches. So this is an early project. It started last month, so make sure to join this project as soon as possible.